That's a good song. Yo, my mirror's disgusting. Whoa. Wow. Nice fit though. But what's going on up there? That's what I wanted to go with today. And that's just how it is. And I'm also listening to music. And okay, so I'm eating a bar because I got hungry, but I don't want to eat a lot. But my Adobe keeps crashing while I'm editing, so I think I'm gonna restart my laptop, but we're gonna leave right now. So yeah, I'm taking my backpack, take everything. I'll see you guys in the car. Yeah, mine's like right here. At most. I want my hair like right here. Right here or like right here. So like mine, below the armpit or above? I don't know. I just want short, wavy hair. And I've been thinking about it for like months, so it's not like I'm just like doing this spontaneously. I'm actually like, I've thought about this. So. Frick.
No, stop, Sonia. Okay, down here, I
Yes, I put a lot of sugar, but I don't care. Yeah, I don't know what you were saying, so don't ask me. But is it just like I'm taking these with me? Oh, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna make them. Make them in here. Well, that's kind of pathetic. I want to play. Wait, Sonia's playing on my account, aren't you, Sonia?
Yeah.
Never mind. No, Puma's using hers. Great. I'm taking all of my stuff with me. This is the sweet red chili sauce. It looks like a little bit, but it's actually a lot. I have ginger and I have my thingies. Look it.
I'm scared. It's going too fast.
You judging me?
I just started. Yes. I'm not going to hurry up.
Why?
No, I wasn't. Come here. No.
I wanted to play, and of course the one time I wanted to play, all of the profiles are in use.
All the profiles what?
Are in use. Celine's using Daddy's, Sonia's using mine, and Puma's using hers. I'm just like, yeah. No, not that can play Minecraft. Making Christmas, making Christmas. The amount of crap I have is a lot. Let go.
So we all get one for one person. But maybe they say no, so no. I mean, they say yes. Say no. Well, you couldn't have Doritos. Still has sharp nails.
Well, yeah. I'm sorry.
Mommy needs you. I was just running for her.
Hi, Phoebo. Aww. Hi. And she was like, and like acted like I killed her or something. Chiquita. Chiquita. What are you doing? Hi. Like nothing's happening. So my grandpa bought like, I think 12 of these for $2. What? At my school, they're 50 cents each, and yeah, I'm gonna take one of these and eat it because I want to. But right now, I'm about to straighten my hair, and then my mom's gonna cut my hair. So I plan on asking her, because she's like gonna cut it, but I don't think she knows how short she's gonna cut it. I want it to like right here. So like, I want it like here. So I'm about to cut off like, I might cry. I just slept for like, I think 30 minutes. I'm not really sure how long, but I slept for a pretty long time. But, okay, so I'm gonna straighten my hair. I've straightened my hair in like 7 minutes before, so I think I'm not gonna take that long. Anyway, my mom are gonna go to the Asian market later, I think. And I'm already done editing my video. It's currently, I think, like 5:30. I'm not really sure what time it is. I haven't checked, but my video is already done, but I can't upload it because my grandma doesn't have internet, because like they don't really care for internet, because like they're old, they don't really care for internet, they just want TV, and then they have their phones and they have data and whatever, so like they don't really care. So I would use a hotspot, but like it doesn't it's not as like efficient, you know what I mean? So like it won't be able to upload. So I think I'm just gonna upload it when I get home, which will probably be like 10. I'm like not excited for school anymore. Like it feels like Saturday. It kind of sucks. I'm kind of nervous. Like I'm slowly, progressively getting more nervous. Like I know I'm gonna like it. I've been wanting to cut my hair for a few months now. But just like before, like I think in like 7th grade, I would literally cry if I thought it was too short. But now I'm like, cut it off, you know. I think I'm just over long hair. Like I've been trying to grow it for so long, and now it's long. And like, I honestly won't be cutting that much. I'm gonna be cutting like that much. I don't even, or more. Is that too much? I don't know. It's up to my mom, obviously. It's not really up to me. Like she is gonna cut it, but it's up to her how much she cuts, because she thinks that I'm gonna like instantly regret it if I cut too much. And my mom knows what she's doing. I trust her with my hair. I don't trust anybody else with my hair, because the one time I got my hair cut somewhere was in Mexico, and this lady literally just like left my bangs, because in 7th grade or 6th grade I straightened my hair so much, and like it was so dead, and my grandma just said cut off all the dead hair. This lady didn't even like bother to like layer it or anything. She just literally cut off the dead, and that was it. So I had like just like my bangs were something I straightened a lot, and so she a chop of the hair, like just it was just short, and the rest of my hair was long for a good like 3 or 4 months, because my hair takes so long to grow. But so yeah, that was the last time I ever got my hair cut by somebody else. Now I just let my mom trim it every now and then, but finally decided that I want to cut my hair short, and she actually said yes. Yeah, I'm over it now that I'm looking at it straight and long. And my hair's not even that long, to be completely honest. Okay, it's kind of long, but I mean, it was always my goal to get really long hair. But now that I have long hair, I'm just like, I'm just like, I don't really care. But my hair's really healthy, so I guess that's a good thing. The thing I'm most nervous for is that my hair's gonna poof up. My mom's freaking out. I don't want to cut her hair. Look at how luxurious it is. I paid for a bunch of hair just for her to cut hers off. I'm so mad. Oh my god. I'm gonna cut all this off. My grandma said it's fine, but I'm not fine.
Why not?
Cause mommy likes long hair.
That's all short. Well,
Mommy's like that.
I want mine shorter. Yeah, like that. That's how I want mine too.
No, going back now. I look like a dumbass.
Oh my god.
She's not going to, mommy. Maybe if it's curly, but I'm kidding.
She didn't thinking about that.
Oh, I already did.
You look like an a-hole.
I would just like run a hair straightener through it.
When your hair's thick. Well, it's gonna be crooked, okay? No, it's crooked because I'm gonna do stuff to it.
Oh my god. I don't want to look at it.
This went up like this, but it's the same length.
I mean, if you think about it, that's pretty much all dead.
True.
It's
Oh
so
my
crooked.
god, it's so short.
It's so crooked.
So short and crooked.
Well, I'm gonna fix it.
Whoa.
Right, now to make it pretty. I don't want to. So angry.
Oh my god.
Dude, you have the worst split end I've ever seen in my... Come on, get this. Now do it.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is my hair. I love it. High key. Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna like the hair just Okay, so we're about to go to the Asian market. I love my hair. Oh my god, they do the most.
Oh, how cute. The icicles, they put them across. You see that?
Oh, they fell.
Ready?
That was like 8 times, dude.
I am so freaking dead. Kaki's not amused.
Okay, so I'm about to work on this. I'm just gonna draw some music notes up here, some other things, I'm gonna color it, and then I'm gonna do my extra credit for math, and then answer some of my study guide questions, and then I have to work on my language arts notebook, which is gonna be a lot of work. I'm going to be up really late, and I'm not excited. I asked Puma, I said, does this look good? And she went, yeah, and I was like, that means no. And Puma's like the artist of the family, you know? Like, she knows what she's doing. So that's why I asked her. And she gave me a so it kind of made me feel bad and I kind of want to cry, but yeah, it's fine. I just got home and I am so tired. It's 12:23 and I can't go to bed because I have to do homework. Let me just mute my laptop. I want to go to bed, but I can't because I have to do a lot of homework and I'm not excited for it. Yeah. Hi. I don't know why I had to flip my hair. I have been touching my hair a lot. Anyways, so it's currently 2:01 a.m. I finished all of my homework, every single thing, and I did all of my notebook. I just have to, I don't know where the tape is and I can't find it, and I'm too lazy to find the stapler and I'm too tired to care. So when I get to school, I'm gonna immediately start taping things into my notebook and stapling them. But that's it. And I have to find a non-fiction book in the morning, but I'll figure that out after. So yeah, I finished everything. I'm really proud of myself, to be completely honest. I finished everything that I needed to do. So yeah, right now I'm currently, you were being so annoying. Right now I'm currently uploading my vlogmas day 15. I'm gonna schedule it for tomorrow morning, because I don't want to upload it right now, even though I have to get up in literally 3 hours, which sucks, but that's what's happening. So I'm going to go wash my face and brush my teeth right now and go right to bed. I know I'm gonna fall asleep in like 2 seconds, which I'm like really excited to go to sleep. So yeah, my hair looks really, like, look at it. Can you see it? It's like really short. Okay, it's fine. I love it though. All right, so while this is uploading, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and wash my face. And yeah, that's the end of this vlog. It's, even though it's the next day, it's 2 in the morning. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And I might not be vlogging that much at school tomorrow because I have finals all week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't talk about this.